Understanding par for the course in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase in English, par for the course. Stick around as we explore its origins, meaning, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Our goal is to make you comfortable with this phrase, so you can start incorporating it into your English speaking and writing. Par for the course is a phrase that originally comes from the sport of golf, where par is the number of strokes a skilled golfer is expected to make to finish a hole or the entire course. When we use this phrase in everyday English, we mean that a situation or an outcome is what is normal or expected in any given circumstances. It's often used to describe something that is not surprising or unusual, given the context. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use par for the course in real-life situations. When talking about a job, having to work late on Fridays is par for the course in this company. Regarding technology issues, my phone battery draining quickly is just par for the course with older models. In personal experiences, dealing with traffic is par for the course when you live in a big city. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express that something is typical or expected within a particular situation. Now that we know what it means, let's talk about how to incorporate par for the course into your English. 1. Identify the context. Use it when talking about situations where the outcome is typical or expected. 2. Expressing resignation or acceptance. It's often used to convey a sense of acceptance of the situation, without strong emotions. 3. Keep it casual. This phrase is more informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or in less formal writing. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, par for the course. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning phrases like these can add nuance and depth to your language skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.